It is Tuesday. I'm sitting in the Chick-fil-A parking lot. I just got done with my second interview, which is what she told me I would be having, but it turns out she was just asking for like clothes sizes and stuff because I'm hired. So I will start at Chick-fil-A whenever my uniform comes in. So I'm really excited about that. I am on my way to pick up Brooklyn. We're gonna get some Chick-fil-A, and then we've got Chi Alpha after that.
So I God bless you. Rotate, pivot.
I haven't lifted in a really long time, and I I benched more than I ever have before. So that was really surprising and fun. So on the docket today, I'm going to get dinner with Brooklyn, and then I've got life group with the boys, and then I'm watching the new Spider-Man animated movie after that. All right, I'm on my bike ride, taking my first little stop, and things have gotten a little muddy. But about 3 miles in, and it's pretty fun. All right, I'm 53 minutes in. I've only gone 10 miles because the trail has just been absolutely brutal. It's just pure mud and wet sand and stuff, so. But time is what I need. So the longer this takes me, I guess the better chance I have of beating Brooklyn. So I'm getting tired holding up my phone right now, but check out my bike. Oh man, I'm at like mile, I think 16, maybe 17. I'm just getting absolutely worked. I'm so tired.
I slept like the first 30 minutes.
It is much later in the day. I had leadership training for Chi Alpha with all the other new leaders that might be leading next year. I guess the applications still haven't gone through. And now I'm on my way to pick up Brooklyn for a double date with Arthur and Cassie.
Just like put it on your side plate.
Move it! All right, that is the end of the vlog, number 23. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.